Hey guys, welcome back. Today in this video, we're going to look at modules and packages and what is the basic difference between those two. So I have this same example that we saw in the OOP module. I have this class, employee class, in which I have the exact same code. Let me just zoom that out a little. Yeah, so I have the exact same code. I have the init function with init method with first name, last name, and salary, and I'm creating or properties, creating the properties of this particular class, and I have it saved in a file called as employee.py. All right, and I have this file over here, and I have another file called as developer.py, in which I am inheriting the employee class, but the employee class is in this particular file, is it? So how are you going to get access to this employee class from a different file? This we are going to achieve using modules. So basically, modules are nothing but files with all the necessary, classes or functions in it. So basically, this employee is a module, and I'm going to import this class employee with the help of this statement. So I'm going to say from employee module, which is this file, from this module, import the class employee. And just like that, I can simply use the employee class to inherit in the developer class, and I can simply I can simply define the developer class over here. So that is how modules work. So modules are nothing but simple files that hold all the necessary code that is there, and modules are very helpful to structure your code, and they are very helpful for debugging when you are dealing with some large amount of some large amount of coding bugs, and the debugging process is a lot simpler right then. And I have another file called as main.py, which is importing developer class from the developer module. And here I'm just creating a simple developer object instance. And the first name I'm providing as Harry, second name Potter, and obviously the language is Python. And with a salary of 80,000, I'm trying to print out the all the properties inside that particular object. Now, if I try to run this, python main.py, you can see all the all the properties are being printed accurately, and hence this is how the modules work. Now let's take a look at packages. Packages are nothing but a collection of modules, and to create a package it is very simple. Just I'm going to create a new folder, and I'm going to say maybe some let's name this package something, organization. Okay, so I'm going to name this as organization, and to make, and now this is just a folder, right? And to make this folder a package, you have to put modules in it, and there is another step which I'm going to tell you at the end. Okay, so I'm going to take the both the modules, which is developer and employee. I'm going to put it in the organization package. So we have the employee module inside the organization package, and I'm going to put the developer module in the employee organization package. Now you see there are a few errors over here. We're going to solve that in the meantime. So we have put all the modules in one directory, and to make this directory as a package, you have to add an extra file. That file is underscore underscore init underscore underscore dot py. So you need to have this particular file. You need not have anything inside that file, but you need to have this init.py file inside the directory to make that directory as a package. All right, now let's try to solve the errors that we have. So if you see in the developer .py, it is not able to import employee module from the package organization, because now the employee module is within the package organization, and to import the module, you need to import the organization package first. So you should write this like from organization dot employee import employee. So we are accessing the package first, and then the module, and then we are importing our necessary classes or objects. So that is how uh, the packages work. We need to import the package, and then the module, and then the required classes or functions from that particular module. Similarly with the main.py, I need to import organization.developer to make this work. So I'm importing the developer module from the organization package, and from the developer module I'm importing the developer class and using that class. So let's try to run this again and see if this works. Python main.py, and this is working perfectly fine. So guys, that is how modules and packages work, and that is how you create modules and packages. So that is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.